You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, very common name from Spain originally, Spanish surname originally, that exists also in Mexico, South America. Let's break down how it's usually pronounced. The Spanish pronunciation from Spain is as Garcia, with the C pronounced like TH in English, so with your tongue between your teeth. Garcia. The stress is definitely on the th syllable, Garcia. That's how they say it in Spain, okay? Or at least central Spain. In other parts of Spanish-speaking countries, other parts of the world, it's usually pronounced as Garcia, with the C pronounced like an S, Garcia, but the stress on the C syllable, Garcia, okay? So in Spanish, two different pronunciations, Garcia or Garcia. Now, in English, there are also two different pronunciations. The British English pronunciation is often as Garcia, all right, stress on the first syllable, while the American English pronunciation is as Garcia, with a stress on the C syllable. So that's four, at least, pronunciations, and of course in French it's going to be Garcia, and there are going to be other pronunciations, but at least now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.